Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Arduino based smart vehicle speed limit controller for speed restricted areas. So the areas are school, college, hospitals or VIP locations. So one is transmitter unit and one is receiver unit. Transmitter unit consists of 9 volts battery, ST12E encoder, RF 433 MHz transmitter module. So it can cover up to 5 to 10 centimeter, 5 to 10 meter distance. So there are the speed limits are 20, 40, 60, 80 speed limit areas, and RF 433 MHz will transmit the this type of speeds, and the receiver model will fix it in the total car. So there should be RF 433 MHz receiver model connected to the HT12D decoder IC. It will decode the 4-bit format A0, A1, A2, A3, A0, A1, A2, A3 pin numbers. So whatever the data, it should send to Arduino board. Arduino board will control the motor speed using L293D driver IC and 300 RPM motor. Sixth pin PWM in pulse width modulation technique. So we are going to increment or decrement of the motor speed using increment button, switch button, decrement switch button connected to the 4 and 5. 16 cross to LC display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is total receiver part connected in the vehicle unit, and this is outside the part of the roadside transmitter module. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source. Otherwise you can use battery power source also. Bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 80 mega 328 IC controller board, 16 cross to LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD, and RF receiver module. Okay, RF 433 MHz receiver module connected to the A0, A1, A2, A3. 16 cross to LCD display connected with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin number. These are increment button connected to the 4th pin and decrement button connected to the 5th pin, and L293D connected to the 6th pin of PWM pin, motor driver IC and 300 RPM motor. And here is the power on, 9 volts battery and ST12E encoder, RF 433 transmitter module, and there are the speed limits are 20, 40, 60, 80. So up, down, up, down, like this is the format. Okay, now let's start with the power supply. Vehicle speed limit controller in speed limit areas. So speed is 0. Okay, speed is 0. Now I'm going to increment the speed slowly. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and the vehicle is moving 70 speed. There should be a speed limit of 40. Up, down, up switch, overspeed detected, capping speed to 40, speed is decreased, so speed is 40, and come down. Okay, speed is 40. Now you can go for the decrement switch also. Okay, to stop the vehicle. Okay, now increment 10, 20, 30, 40, okay, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 is the maximum speed. Okay, so now I'm going for the 60, 80, 60, 40, 20. Okay, capping speed to 40. Actually we are going 100 speed. There should be a speed limit of 60. Okay, so we decrease it, then come down to 60. Okay, now there is a speed limit of 20. Upside, overspeed detected. Okay, capping speed to 20. Okay, and we are come down to 20. Okay, then decrement. Once again, power supply board, 5 volts power supply module, RF 433 MHz receiver module, ST12D decoder IC, and increment switch button, decrement switch button, 16 cross 2 LCD display, 300 RPM DC motor, gear motor, and here is the L293D driver AC and Arduino Uno R3 board. Transmitter unit consists of, okay, and one battery, ST12E encoder, and there are 4 bit format, 20, 40, 60, 80, and one 780 of a regulator, and RF433 transmitter module, and this is the on off button. Okay. Okay. Okay, maximum speed 100. Okay, now there is a speed limit of 80. Okay, you can observe the speed. Okay, come down and go to overspeed detector, go to 60. Okay, decrease it. Speed is 60. Then decrement. Thank you.